On campers, look what just rolled in here to Pine Acres RV Stewiacke. This is a 2026 KZ Connect 271 BHK SE on the model number, guys. Lovely family unit. On the exterior here, we do have a nice outdoor kitchen area, conveniently right beside your doorway, because where else would you want it? Huge awning, LED light strip. We do got pass-through storage and solid steps to get in. And check this out. Leash latch that doubles as a bottle opener. Come on inside, guys. Disconnect. Unlike other comparable models where you come through the door and you're tripping over your shoes, you got nowhere to put them. Check this out. Coat closet, shoe closet. You could actually store a lot of shoes in there. Hey, ladies. Up here, all your unit controls are conveniently right beside the door, and your stereo deck is right beside the door as well. Now, just beside us, we have double over double bunks that will hold up to 500 pounds, and there's windows, ventilation, and phone charging capabilities on both bunks, guys. Up next, right into our bathroom. Pull this across so we can see the shower. Tons of vanity space here for getting ready in the morning. Medicine cabinet. Whoop. On-demand hot water thermostat. Porcelain toilet. And check this out. Not bad at all. All right. Coming outside the bathroom, do a little dance here. And we have our couch here that will drop down to a bed with some cup holders. Hang out, watch TV. Directly across from it, there's tons of storage, and there's a fireplace for those chilly nights, guys. Just beside that, 12-volt refrigerator. We do have a 3-burner cooktop with a great size oven, range hood, and microwave, of course. Check out this counter space. Huge sink. And they give you this piece. Great for prep. Over here, we do have a dinette that will drop down to a bed as well, guys. And then straight up this way is your master bedroom. Queen size bed up here. His or hers closets on either side with windows for cross breeze ventilation. A vent right where you want it. And there's AC ducted in here. And if that's not enough storage for you guys, boom. We got under the bed storage with drawers. Pretty awesome. Folks, if you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke Exit 11. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.